Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. With the iOS 18 update, Apple went out of their way to allow users to change the default web browser. So not just the web browser, you can also change the default email or default messaging app and more. So in this video, let me show you how to change the default web browser from Safari to Chrome. First, you need to make sure that you have updated your iPhone to iOS 18. So to do that, go to Settings. In here, go to General and go to Software Updates. Here, make sure that you have updated your iOS to the latest generation. Now, let me show you how to change the default web browser from Safari to Chrome. To do that, go to Settings, scroll all the way down until you find the option Apps. Just tap on it and select the first option that says Default Apps. Here you have email, messaging, calling, call filtering, browser app, passwords and codes, and keyboard. So we are here to change the browser app. Tap on it and by default it is selected to Safari. Now I have also installed these three apps, so I can choose which app to be selected as my default web browser. So I'm here to choose Chrome. Let's select that. So now your default browser has been changed to Chrome from Safari. Now, if you have any web link that you need to open from your phone, let it be from your email or WhatsApp or any other app, it will directly take you to the Chrome app instead of Safari. So this is how you change your default web browser from Safari to Chrome. So if this video was helpful, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips.